Hey everyone, it's Kenji. We are at Seattle Biscuit Co. in Freelard. I'm here with Zoe Kahn.
Excited to be here.
And we're doing a little
breakfast sandwich crawl.
Yes, we'll have a Sam's fried, and then the one with the jam, and the bacon.
Oh, the Willy Lee, the egg berry jam?
Uh-huh.
Who's Willy Lee?
So most of these are named after people Sam has known.
Okay.
Willy Lee was an older gentleman that used to yell at the kids in the neighborhood.
Okay.
I'm Sam.
So good to meet you.
I don't know if we've officially met, but yeah.
Either, but I'm Sam.
Well, holler if you guys need anything. Coffee's refillable.
Smells so good in here. I'm
Refillable
excited.
is that Sammy,
Oh boy.
Willy Lee.
So we came here mainly for this, which is my favorite sandwich here. It is called the Willy Lee.
Willy Lee.
This is a egg, cheese, bacon, and jam on a biscuit.
It's huge.
Should we eat?
Yeah.
It is huge.
It's massive.
Oh boy.
It is a huge bite. I don't know.
It's good.
Do you? I think I'm gonna cut.
Okay.
Get a good bite in here.
You're not gonna dad bite it?
No. It could.
So we're getting this because the last time
Oh my
Zoe and I
God.
were together, we got a burger from Smash That,
yeah.
in Fremont Brewery, and they do a peanut butter and jelly burger. And I mentioned that Seattle Biscuit Co. has a jellied breakfast sandwich, which I think is good. It has that kind of sweet and savory thing going.
I love a sweet and savory combo. Mm-hmm. This is fantastic. Wow.
Seattle Biscuit Co. They've been around as a truck since 2012, and here as a physical location since 2018. Sam, the owner who was here and talked to us this morning, he is from Georgia. So these are, Southern style biscuits, but they're much bigger than any biscuit I've seen in the South.
Very substantial, but it's a good note. If you come here, you should probably bring a friend, and then you guys can go splitsies and try multiple things.
Why is a biscuit $15 or whatever it is? It's because it's like a full meal sandwich.
And they're working with local farms, they're prioritizing great ingredients. It's really good, wow. And the bacon on there, that's what you smell when you walk in, is that bacon and then this fried chicken.
Oh yeah. This one is Sam's fried chicken. So it's fried chicken, shredded pickles, mayo.
Real good stuff.
Pretty classic, yeah.
That's what it says underneath it. This is huge too, yeah.
I'm gonna do this again.
Okay. Yeah? Really soft bun.
There was an era of my tween years. We lived above a McDonald's. My sandwich of choice was the McChicken.
Yeah, a classic.
When the mayo and the lettuce mixed together.
Yes. I love a pickly flavor too with the fried chicken. These are fancy.
This is a
fancy
sit-down biscuit.
Yes, this is a full treat. This is like something very special. This is not something you can easily have in your car. When I watch videos of people and they're like eating a flaky croissant in their car or like an everything seed bagel, I like kind of lose my mind. I'm like, how are you eating that in your car? Like it's gonna be everywhere.
I grew up eating everything bagels in the car, like on the way to school. But
yeah, you didn't have to clean out the car.
I wasn't the one cleaning out the car at that time. That's true.
Yeah.
I make a no food in the car rule for my kids.
Okay.
Because it gets real messy back there.
Okay.
But then I always forget about it like a week later. Anyway, Seattle Biscuit Co. Very good.
Biscuits are great. Coffee is warm. This fried chicken sandwich is unbelievable.
The fried chicken's real
Sam's
good.
fried.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah. Tell Sam for us that it's fantastic. I'm not a huge biscuit person, but I feel like I've been changed. Where like
You mean you're not you're not into huge biscuits like this?
no, like
Or you're not a huge person into biscuits, or you're not hugely into biscuits.
I will often not seek out a biscuit breakfast sandwich over a brioche bun style breakfast sandwich. But honestly, this is so good that it's like changing my perspective.
It's
on it.
buttery and crispy and
Yeah. Somehow
sturdy
I
enough
have,
to hold the things.
yeah, especially when it's warm and you give me a little butter and a little jam, like I'm happy as can be.
When the biscuit's warm or when it's warm outside?
Both. I want warm outside. I mean, now we're really talking like ideal scenario. Yeah, if I have like the sun on my face and a warm biscuit in my hand, like life is good.
Let's go to our next spot after this. Guys, gals, and non-binary pals. See you later.